right, folks, check this out. Cabinets at Costco. It's a drawer chest, and it's not bad looking either. Not a bad deal for $699.97. Good quality stuff here, folks. Check it out. Here's a little side table thing. And they're nice and fluid. Like them self-closing drawers there. Look at that. It's like magic. Yeah. Back in my day, that would never happen. Unless you were in a really bad house. Ooh, Halloween. Anyway, nice little assortment here. The Onan room divider brown. Okay, these are pretty cool. You can lay them down sideways or straight up like this. See, it shows it here on the box, sideways. Got the white ones too. White one, you got white and brown. There's the white. And then you got a couple of dresser bureau here for your wife or daughter, whoever likes to do makeup. Check that out. It's not a bad price either. $499.99. Not a bad deal. Got a sink here if you need to put it in your house. $449.99. Not a bad deal there. Pretty nice surface on there. If you got to throw a kitchen together and a bathroom together and all that stuff, it's a place to go. It's not going to cost you an arm and a leg. It'll get the job done. Check it out. Got a TV set up here. Cabinet. You got another one, a modular console. $149.99. Check this thing out. I'm lost just looking at it. How does this work? Oh, they're doors. So it's got crazy doors. All right, look at that. Check that out. That's pretty cool. At Costco for $399.97. Got yourself a fake fireplace here. I don't feel any heat coming out of it. It says heater and fan, so maybe it puts heat out. Or it does. It says it does, so it does. For $649.99. It's not bad looking. Put that there. Get some heat out of it. Get a fake fire going on. And you put your TV set on top of that. So there's a lot of things at Costco going on here. You need to check it out. Like this adjustable desk here. Trasanti. $219.99. Now that one right there is a good deal because they were selling this thing for like in the 400s a while back ago. So that's a good deal. You got a little sofa here, sleeper sofa, $5.99. Not bad. Got your straight up fox plant here, or fake plant. Another fake plant here. Never know when you need them. Evergreen LED raindrops. Those are pretty cool looking. Not as big as the box makes them. I mean, here's my hand. Compared to it, it's just not that big. Okay. Got an ottoman here. I think you can hide in here or something. I don't know. Looks like it can open up. Where's that going? Oh, there it is. Oh, wow. I think opens up. Is it it's a sleeper. Check that out. So this thing is a fox leather sleeper ottoman. So you can use an ottoman or somebody can sleep on it. What a deal. That's pretty cool. That is straight up cool. Look at that thing. Wow. Got a nice chair here and a reclining chair. So check it out at Costco, folks. There's a lot going on. And don't forget, it's at Costco.